Hello everyone, my name is Girish Nutya Bhangare and today's date is 26th of July 2021 and today's video topic is methods of string. Before discussing about the methods of string, we discuss about the what is string and how will it is created. Basically string is a object basically string is an object that represents a sequence of character and it is similar to the array and in case of string the string class is the inbuilt class in the Java long package, so it is provide a various method to perform on the string. So basically for example there are for example there are various methods like compare, concat, equal, split, length, replace and compare to, intern, substring are the various methods that perform the operation on the string. Then there are two methods that used to create the string. First one is by using double quotes, and second one is using new keyword. So basically these are two types that we can create the string. In case of by using the double quotes, the string will store in the store in the string constant pool of the heap memory location, and in case of new keyword it will store in the heap memory location. So this is the string. So the next one is the methods of the string. So the first method is the caret index. The caret index method will the caret method gives the specific character at specific index position. When for example there is a string in string there is a sequence of character Girish. If you want if we want the in index at character at index position 0, then it will return the G character, means it will return the specific location. Then we can specific location, so then we can assess the any we can access the randomly any element from the string with the help of the index. So the next method is the length method. The length method have integer return type, so it will return the value in the integer, and it will return the length of the string, means how much element will be will be in their string. So next method is the substring method. The substring method will return the substring will return the substring for a given uh, other given begin index, means it will divide the given string into the substring into small number of substring, and it will return. The next method is the content methods. The content methods it will have the boolean return type. It return the true or false after the matching the sequence of character, means if there is a string Girish, and if you want the if you want a character sequence, means sh, if it is matched with the string given string, then it will return true. If not, it will return false. The next method equal method. The equal method also have boolean return type, and it will check the whether for equality of the object. And the next method is the isEmpty method. The isEmpty method also have a boolean return type, and it will check the whether is string empty or not. The next method is the concat method. The concat method will uh, add the string at the given string at the end of the given string, means if there are two string in which if one string have Girish and another string is Bhangare, then it will concat in a one string that is Girish Bhangare, and it will store in a separate memory location, because string will create the another object of that. Then next method is the replace method. The replace method replace the old character with new character, and it replace all the occurrence of the specific character value. And the next method is the equal ignore case method. It it compares the another string, and it doesn't check the whether the letter is capital or lowercase. The next method is the split method. The split method split the string split the string matching at the uh, regress and limit. Then next method is the next method is a lowercase method. It will return the string in a lowercase, and the opposite method of the lowercase is uppercase. It will return the uppercase, the string in the uppercase. Then next method, and the next method is the stream method. The stream method removes the white spaces from the beginning and the ending of the string, and it will return the string. So it will have also the return type string. So this is all about the methods of the string. Thank you.